Hey, good morning, everybody. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Before we get started, this broadcast is for demonstration and educational purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. All right, good morning. Hope everybody had a nice evening. Let's get ready for this session. I always like to start by looking at the Forex Factory. And today on the calendar, February 27th. This morning we had unemployment claims and the GDP. I see they revised it up just a little bit. Core durable goods, preliminary GDP price index, 10 a.m., pending home sales. Let's see what the big news was on the unemployment claims. Good morning, doctor. Trump's tariffs will go in effect on Mexico and Canada. Durable good orders rose 3.1%. Unemployment insurance weekly claims. Slightly higher unemployment claims. They revised it up. Jobless claims spike and worrisome sign. Okay. Well, let's see what the market's reaction was. We had NVIDIA report their earnings last night, which was, I think, the market was kind of anticipating that release. And they did beat expectations. So the market has been slowly bouncing to the upside. Overnight, a decent move up on the NASDAQ, the S&P, a decent move up. Retracement, and we're right at the VWAP. I see gold drop back down to 2,900. We were at about 2,960 a few days ago. So our leaderboard, what's hot, what's not? Wow, that Mack truck bot is hot. When did I get those trades? Early. Caught that big move up right at midnight. And that's the bot. That means it's been time optimized to trade at midnight. Very interesting. And man, did it catch a monster. Big move up right at midnight Eastern time. Caught another nice winner at 3:40 a.m. Well, I learned from my mistake yesterday. I made a huge mistake. With the Apex, I was saying how I needed to make a lot of money fast because my rebuild date was coming. And man, that's the wrong approach. And I learned my lesson terribly. Wound up blowing those accounts, those evaluation accounts. And I'm never going to do that again. I'm just going to stick to my plan and not worry about the rebuild date. I heard David Kushner talking about that too. He's like, I got a call. One of my members said his rebuild date was coming up, and should he take more chances? And I told him absolutely not. And I fell right into their trap. So it was definite learning experience. Stick to our game plan. So what I like to do is, yeah, I know it, Jeffrey. Good morning, Judy. RJ. No, it's not too late. RJ, we got one left, actually. I'll contact you when we're done with the live stream. Of course, RJ. I'm around till 6 o'clock. Is 6 o'clock Eastern? Does that give you enough time? I'll send you an email in the meantime. All right, so let's get the trade copier ready. I'm going to stick to my guns. Yesterday I did not trade the PA accounts, thank God. And what I like to do is, based on my leaderboard, I see that SimSmart Stop 2 is hot, 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 hot. Loving this trading environment. It's up 2,500 pre-market. SimSmart 2. I like to trade that one, which is the velocity filter, which is the velocity bot, the 30 range velocity bot without the velocity filter. I like that one. I like the velocity, especially when there's an alignment with my 20 Unirenko. I look for an alignment in trend. Mac truck. Let's take a look and see when the Mac truck hours are. I'm afraid I'll enable it and it won't take a trade. Mac truck bot. 20U, Mac truck bot. Wow, it's up $4,783. Okay, that's actually the drone. I need to get that on my... I'm going to duplicate this. And we're going to go to that Mac truck. Bot. Okay. Market just opened. SimSmart Stop 2. We've got an alignment of trend. Our 20 Unirenko is lined up for a long trade, heading into a lot of resistance. I don't want to trade long into this resistance. So I'm just going to step aside. Just be patient here. This Mack truck is red hot though. If we look at our leaderboard, our Mack truck is up 3 grand, and our Sim Smart Stop 2 is up 2,300. Well, Steven's been doing good lately. Come on. I'm going to take that one right there. That's Sim Smart Stop 2. I just piggybacked a small winner on it. That's been my style with these PA accounts is I'll piggyback the trades on that 30 range NASDAQ right in the first half hour between 9:30 and 10. Try to pick up one more. I'm going to start enabling some iBots now. I wanted that first morning rush to pass us by. And let's see if we can get some of those cranked up. I'm going to go with the best ones first. The best ones on the iBots have been this. I love the 24U. Let's keep an eye on this. Sorry about that. What I'm going to do, actually, before I start with the iBots. Going to come down to one day. Big move up. Big move up. I'm about 45 seconds behind right now, so I just can't trade it right now. There it comes. It's coming back down.
That Sim Smart Stop 2 is trading like a bandit. Loving this environment. Let me get on it. Let me get on this Sim Smart Stop 2. Let's see if we can get one. Here we go. To the downside. What I've been doing with it is just taking profits. That's it. That's my profit goal right there. That's what I've been doing with this bot. I've got a profit goal of between 300 and 500 a day, and I trade it between 9:30 and 10. And when I get the alignment of trend on my 20 Unorenko and my 30 range, I'll jump in and I'll take one or two trades, and they have very high percentage winning trades. And I've just been running up my PA accounts for the entire month. And I'll show you my P&L on my PA accounts. We've got the 16U iBot running, and I want to get a couple more cranked up. I want to showcase the iBot and the AI Auto Trader. Let's get to the 20U going. 24U. But today it was, man, that Sim Smart Stop 2 just came and tapped right on our shoulder this morning. There was no question which one to go with. It was either that or the Mack truck. And the Mack truck scored big. And the Sim Smart Stop. Is it a foolproof methodology? No. There's no guarantee that it does well pre-market and it continues to do well once the bell rings. But I'll tell you, it's created more winners than losers, and that's all that matters. It's making money. Getting another big sell-off. Man, this is, ouch, painful. Painful to watch. I'm dying to get my evals into the game. You can see my Mack truck is just, man, it is on fire. I want to get these 20Us and 24 Unorenkos on the NASDAQ in. Look at Steven, as quiet. Man, Steven's been doing fantastic. Stephen A.
That 8 Unarenko's on fire. Man, this strategy is just freezing me. I see my bid and ask is, okay, there we go. Now my chart just unlocked. Man, I'm missing this huge move down. I'm going to have to back off my NASDAQs for just a minute here. Bring this back down. The ES is in ES30 range, the Robert Star drone. Okay, that freed me up. Now I'm back on. Man almighty. I do apologize. What's happening is I'm having some technical issues. Holy moly, look at gold. Wow, look at that gold bot. Man, gold just dropped about 20 bucks in 2 minutes. 5 minutes. All right, here comes my NASDAQ back in the game. Ah, Sergio. Oh. I'm tempted to just restart the whole workspace. It's just not running my computer doesn't seem to be running very well. I really apologize about these tech issues. In another minute, I'm just going to have to restart my Ninja. That's the only thing I could think of to do. Let's close everything. That's the account from yesterday, 43. Okay. Now, it's running perfect right now. Okay, I'm going to give the iBot a rest. Well, the good news is we were able to get a couple winners on that PA account before we got back on track. Made a terrible mistake yesterday, letting the billing date of my Apex account influence our trading methodology. And I was really had a really nice profits on those accounts. It was really silly. Okay, let's see if we can get going here. Your gold scalper's up 27.50. Hey, good morning, Suzanne. You're not in the game yet, Jeffrey? How did I see the 45-second delay, Mina? I have a lag indicator that tells me what my lag is across my instruments. The way you can tell without one of those lagometers is you look at your bid-ask price on the bottom right of your chart trader. The E-mini's at 59.65. If I look on my chart, I'm at 59.71. So there's a huge disparity between where price actually is, which is this price, and where my chart is showing. So I'm showing I'm running a 1 minute delay. So a minute ago, this is where your chart was showing price. Let's just do this. Let's give it one. Let's start fresh. Now it's catching up. That's the huge move down I missed. Market is just melting away. Melting away. So yeah, Jeffrey, our methodology here is we let the strategies run from the overnight session and pre-market. And the ones that come to the top of our leaderboard, these are the ones that I choose most of the time to trade my live account. Today I traded the Sim Smart Stop 2, and I was able to pull in a few winners on my PA account. I hit my profit goal and then I stopped trading. But I do continue to run the bot in Sim, so it continues to accumulate the data. Okay, it's back on now. Let's try again. Um, I saw gold fly down, Rao. Man. Wow, what a move down. Let's give it another shot. Yeah, it's locking it up. Good morning, Al. Okay, I'm back in the game. Let's try another. Let's really push it. Get this 24U in. At 24U, I'm going to put on my evals on the IBOT. Oh, I think I got into gold, actually. I did. I'm in gold. I got gold on my evals here. Need that first target. Let's see if we get another leg down. Come on down, gold. Don't wick me out. Good volume on gold. Ah, come back down. That's a shame. That thing almost, I thought it was going to take off. Very good volume on gold right now. When you got 1,000 contracts a minute on gold, something good is going to happen. Ah, my charts froze. Jesus. Look at the ES30. Off to the races. My NASDAQ's way behind. Yeah. 3120. Wow, that's great, Jeffrey. I need gold. The only one I can trade right now is gold. Get me in the game. Come on, gold. Hit that profit target, gold. Come on. Okay, let the good times roll. Yeah, I'm having some tech issues myself. There's a huge sell-off going on, and unfortunately, I'm on the sideline here. Ninja Trader app issues. The only thing good about right now is I'm in this gold trade. Come on, gold. Get a huge retracement here. Try and get this NASDAQ back down into play. Got a monster going on gold. Gold is always a nice one to have in the toolbox. There's my profit goal. Going for 100 ticks on gold, $1,000 trade with a 20 tick trailer. Okay, boom. All my lag is gone now. I'm clear on all my instruments. Let's see if we can crank this thing up. Ooh, look at the IBOT 16U is in. Getting a big retracement on the IBOT. Order submitted. 24U. Order submitted. Let's try the IBOT. 20U. It's a good one. Gold is waffling. Come on, gold, to the moon. Let's go. Let's get a push up. Man, don't let the good times stop now. All the way. Straight up to resistance. 2904. Here we come. Ah. Got 830 on that one. On two gold trades, 830. Order submitted. Let's see where we're at. The Mack truck up top still. Sim Smart Stop 2, 3760. The IBOT 2245 on the 16U.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, I'm short gold now. Huh.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Okay.
submitted.
Yeah, today's a really great day for day trading, let me tell you.
Order submitted.
Okay. I'm slowly being able to trade more and more now. Back in the game. Sim Smart Stop 2. Let's see what positions we're in. Oh, oh my goodness. I didn't even know I was in this trade. I'm on the NASDAQ short. Oh boy.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Might have hit my profit goal on this Sim Smart Stop. Hasn't taken a trade forever.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right. Let's see if I can get back on these evals.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Smart velocity stop.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Wow. Look at this thing go.
Order submitted.
I bought 16U. Just jumped in long. Hit the first target.
Order submitted.
Oh, no, no, no. Didn't mean to do that. Oh, wow. Okay, we're getting a pop here to the upside. Really nice one, too. I'm going to switch this bot to SimSmart Velocity.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, wait. It's not using the profit window.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, gold's in another monster. Gold is starting to get some traction here. Let me see if I can move this one now to my evals. I think gold is going to catch another big move. Mac Truck's up 4,000. SimSmart Stop still at 37.60.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
The 16U 1210 is crushing it.
Submitted.
Let me see if I can get enabled there.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
16U 1210. Wow. That bot's just crushing it. It's up 2110. All right, I'm going to copy off of that one. Just got a long trade on gold.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Ooh, boy, did that pop in long on the NASDAQ. Big volatility today. Wow. Man, this market is moving, flying. We hit our profit goal in the first 10 minutes, 5 minutes of the market open. And I just kind of been watching it, trying to get my evals in. The market's moving so fast, it's hard to keep up with it. I'm trying to get my PA accounts off of my trade copier. There goes gold. Gold is popping. Oh, I thought gold was going to hit again too. Let me lock that there. Turn it on. Sim Smart Stop 2. Let's give it a try. It's at 37.60. Let's reset it. Sim Smart Stop 2, where are you? There you are. It's not even enabled. Gold up again, 950. Nice trade, Rao. All right, we're going to go to about 10:30. Let's go 10 more minutes.
Order submitted.
Gold's right back in. Short. 16 U's, Sim Smart Stop 2. Let's see if we can get one more trade in. Sim Smart Stop 2 is close to jumping in short on a B entry.
Order submitted.
Maybe a C entry long. Good volume. The S&P's got 6,300 contracts per minute.
Order submitted.
The bulls are back after that big sell-off this morning. Maybe we'll get a big smiley face and come all the way back up.
Order submitted.
Here we go. We're in Sim Smart Stop 2. We need a short move here. Kind of a risky entry because I don't have a multi-time frame trend, alignment of trend. My 20U is market structure wise is set up long. I'm in a short move here on this position here. Not crazy about those trades. I like to have an alignment of trend. I should have never enabled that strategy right now. Maybe I can get out of it in one piece. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Order submitted.
All right.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Crazy.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Come on, let's go. Get up there. Nice. Come on, 16U.
Order.
Oh, we're right back in long. Boy, that didn't waste any time, did it? Come on, let's go to the upside. Come on, keep pushing up. Ah. Come on. Get up there.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'll take that. Bam. Just scored nicely on that Let me turn all these things off. Scored nice on that long move. Bam. That put us right where we wanted to be. Close out the session very nicely. Oh, I'm right back in. I can't get out of these trades quick enough.
Order submitted.
The Sim Smart Stop 2 jumped right back in long. The IBOT 24U is in. Look at the iBot 16U came up to 3,500. When we can get these bots in the game, man, they're powerhouses. We're working on a couple of fixes for that lag. Sergio's on it. March 6th, March 7th is the deadline. So with one foot on a banana peel this morning, you can see what the system did. Our Smart Stop 2 up 4 grand. The Mack Truck 4 grand. The iBot, the 16U up 1210, up 3465. I was able to piggyback some nice trades on actually 3 different bots on the gold, on the Sim Smart Stop 2, and I had one winner on this 16U. So my evals, I'm up 1,300 across 2 evals. And on my PA accounts, I'm up 400, 425, 465 on the PA accounts. I've had an amazing run this month on these PA accounts. Ow. Excuse me. An amazing run on the PA accounts.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Jumps right back in long. This is a red hot strategy today. It's lined up with our 20U as well.
Order submitted.
You can see our Laguerre, our momentum is pinned to the top. That's a good sign. Even though we're waffling right out to 50. We've got some things going our way. Well, momentum is shifting.
Order submitted.
We're in trouble. We're taking on water. Come on, breakthrough there. Well, as I tell you, it was a really exciting day. Extremely exciting day.
Order submitted.
After deviating from my game plan yesterday, I got right back on track for my own personal accounts.
Order submitted.
I hope this volatility does continue. This is, wow, this trading environment today, this was just phenomenal. Man, those moves down, big move down earlier. Got my profit target. Quick. Here we go, this long move up. Let's see if we can get in our profit window here. It's a choppy market now. We went sideways. Come on, push up. There goes the iBot long. That's on a 16 Unorenco.
Order submitted.
In our profit window on the 30. Bam, 44.50. 44.50.
Order
Jumped
submitted.
right back in long. This is a strategy that finds that ebb and flow and can really run up the score. It'll get in that profit window, and bam, you'll have 250 or 500. Get a retracement, and boom, pop right back in long. And it'll make money in this choppy environment.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Uh-oh. This is trouble. All right. That killed us. That stopped us out on that trade. The E-minis right at the VWAP.
Order submitted.
Jumped in short. All right, well, listen, let's let this trade go. They both jumped in short now. Now they're both in agreement.
Order submitted.
Got out on the momentum-based trailing stop. Had broken through hit our threshold. Once the trade matures, I think it's 60 ticks in the direction of our trade. If it comes back on us, the stop is attached to the 15 EMA, this dotted line. So if it retraces, it's going to stop you out, not let it come back for a full loser. Another beautiful trade short.
Order submitted.
This trigger on the IBOT is looking at those indexes off the cash market. It picks up a disparity between buyers and sellers and jumps in the same direction that institutional money is going. And it does it lightning fast. Lightning fast. Yeah, Ralph, the colored background is our bias indicator. That's a multi-time frame alignment of trend. It's looking at two higher time frames to the one on your trading chart. So when you have that pink background color, it means on a 30 range, usually it's looking at the next fib number higher.
Order submitted.
It's also an alignment on the higher time frame, and we have an alignment. Those trends are only created by institutions and those large hedge funds, institutional money.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can break through this area of support.
Order submitted.
One more push, boom, got it. Here we go. 45.60. IBOT still in.
Order submitted.
Jump back in short again.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Another sell-off. Our 24U is in short as well. 16U, 20U, and 24U all in short on the IBOT. All right, let's end it right there. Let's go over the leaderboard real quick. Let me show it.
Order submitted.
These were the top performing bots of the day. There are bots on the bottom that lost in our sim accounts, but all of our live accounts we did very well today. The NASDAQ and E-mini. NASDAQ, we were crushing it.
Order submitted.
Really great movement today on the NASDAQ. The Mack truck ran away with it. It might not be the same by the end of this trading session. But the Mack truck started on top and ended on top. The Sim Smart Stop 2 started on top and it ended on top. So that's why we were able to score on our Apex accounts. Our methodology worked, where we piggyback the bots that perform the best in the pre-market session. So really another excellent day trading. And with this market environment, these bots really have the potential to make a lot of money very quickly. The leaderboard, if you go, Jeff, on your control center, click on the accounts, and then you're going to want to click on the realized P&L column. If I click it once, it might show the losers. If I click it again, it'll show the winners. So what I do is, yes, there are bots that are losing, but these aren't the ones that I'm going to copy. I'd be out of my mind. The ones that I want to copy are these. So I click on the realized P&L until all my green ones come up, so I can pick a bot that's performing well in this current trading environment. And then I'll use my trade copier and copy it across my PA accounts. You can see in the following that methodology, I wanted to show you the trade performance. I think I'm froze up for a minute. Almighty. Yeah, I'll tell you, with all this volatility, it's really got my machine running very poor. But tomorrow is Friday, and we're going to do our weekly recap tomorrow. And we'll go through the P&L and for the week. And today I've just been having some tech issues all morning. But I want to thank everybody for joining me. And if you would, please like my video here on YouTube. It helps us gain traction and get some new eyes on our products and services here at Right Line Trading. We really enjoy, broadcasting every morning. If you could please like our video, it helps more than you'll ever know. I want to wish everybody a blessed rest of their day, and please come back and join me tomorrow. Same place, same time, same channel, God willing. Have a blessed rest of your day, everybody. So long.